China has done more to reduce extreme poverty in a short period of time than any other country in history. Now, with China's 1.4 billion people, extreme poverty has been eliminated. It's a tremendous achievement. It's a tremendous advance in well-being, and it's also a very powerful framework and source of hope for other poor countries in the world.
It's absolutely historic because it has shown the world that poverty indeed can be eliminated, and that this should also be one of the common tasks of mankind in eliminating it globally. So I think China has made a historic marker in that poverty alleviation.
El proceso de erradicación de pobreza en China ha sido muy exitoso, es decir, se ha incrementado el bienestar, tanto material como el sentido de bienestar individual, más personal en China, me parece. El partido me parece que ha desempeñado un papel muy importante, pero no podría hacerlo, no podría lograr los éxitos sin la acción colectiva de la sociedad china.
К концу года двойная победа. Победа над нищетой очень важна для всего мира. И нам всем нужно изучить китайский опыт, потому что главная причина победы Китая над нищетой – это выбранная модель общественно-политического развития под названием социализм с китайской спецификой. Эта новая модель доказывает свою эффективность, доказывает то, что за ней будущее.
China's success demands it to be analyzed and to be understood. What are the principles that can be applied that other countries can apply? Poverty alleviation is a remarkable achievement for China as a whole. It has benefited hundreds of millions of Chinese people, but it also gives great insight into how the whole Chinese system works.
I've been to China many times over the last 30 years, and I've seen with my own eyes magnificent progress towards poverty reduction in many parts of China. And I think we in Africa, especially South Africa, we should be doing the same thing. We should also focus on where the poverty is and work out a scientific method of measuring and correcting that problem. It could be time consuming, but I think it's worth it in the long run.